In this particular video, we'll find out the factorial of a given number. Okay, as usual, IO stream namespace, and here we have a function known as factorial int n. Some parameter is passed, and we have some conditions. This is the whole logic of the program. E particular in consider this up to if this is the whole logic of the program. I'll explain this logic soon. Wait, first, main function in again, you have declared a data type int and number. You'll display that. You'll enter that number. That number will get stored in int. Then if number is less than 0, factorial will not define negative numbers in the program. Okay, then you'll after this whole process is done, the factorial of that given number is displayed in this last line. Okay, now how does this particular function of factorial work? This is the example. If I give a factorial 5, now I'll store a factorial here as 5. Int n is 5. Now, if condition is right as usual, if n is less than or equal to 1, again 5 is less than or equal to 1, no, the condition is wrong. It will go to the recursion. We'll use a recursion case here. Return 5 into factorial of 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, then we'll go back to the next iteration. This iteration, this part is over. We'll go back to the next iteration. Next again, factorial is 4. Then if 4 is less than or equal to 1, again it's not true. Then return 5 into 4. Okay, this particular again gets stored here. 5 into 4 into factorial of 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, now keep in mind, compiler will not display this 5 into 4. It can understand only the final answer, which is 20. 20 into factorial 4 minus 1, that is 3. Again, this is second iteration. Third iteration same aage agata hai. Then n is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 1, no. Again 5 into 43, which is 60. Factorial of 3 minus 1, 2. This is the third iteration. Fourth, last, which is n is factorial is 2. 2 is less than 1, no. Again 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is 120. Factorial of 2 minus 1, that is 1 as usual. We are abiding by formulas here. ಏನು declare ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ as usual ಹಾಗೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. There is no extra code here. So again, last final, n is 1, factorial is 1, and if 1 is less than 1, this is correct, then this exits the loop. Now you have to keep in mind that factorial we learned in school is, which is the factorial of a number is the previous elements also are added, multiplied. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If it's 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If it's 10, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. You get the point. Okay. Now we'll try to run here. As usual, we saw here, we had given 5 here. The final answer is 120. So in this, if we execute this particular program, if I give 5, then the answer is again 120. So I hope you understood this point. The entire logic of this program runs in this particular case. It's a recur. So because, and since we are using recursion here, so this is how you generate a factorial of a given number using recursion. So you're doing this. Okay. Thank you.